show you how much radiation that comes out of your home microwave. First of all, the power inside the microwave is 800 to 1000, 1200 watts, and the radiation from the microwave is very, very dangerous. We will turn our meter on to the high scale, and we will just first of all turn it on for a short time to show you what happens to the meter. Yes, we're over 100 milligauss. That's how dangerous it is. And no matter, you have to get almost 4 to 6 feet away from there to get so that it's not. Now let me show you what takes place in the microwave. It takes cells, individual cells, this is an individual cell. It had water in the center and 2.4 gigahertz, vibrated the center of the cell, and the cell turned into popcorn. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how dangerous the microwave is and how poor the concealing of the RF shield on this, and how radiations from around America will come through. I'm going to put the microwave in, or the cell phone in the microwave. I am going to close the door. I am not going to turn the microwave on because it would destroy it. I'm going to have my wife call that cell phone number. And since that cell phone belongs to my daughter's family group in Fayetteville, North Carolina, we're going to go on the phone. It operates minus 48 volts DC. Across America. America gets up on the microwaves and comes all the way back, and about 4, 5, 6 miles away we'll ring that phone, and it's supposed to be an RF enclosed shield. Okay, my wife has called me. Now you can go in here and look. You can go up close. The radiation went from my house all the way to North Carolina, back from California, North Carolina, from my cell tower service 6, 8 miles away, through the house, through an RF enclosure, and rang my cell phone. That is dangerous. I'm going to show you what a cordless phone in your house will do. This is also at the same frequency as your microwave oven. It's at 2.4 gigahertz. So let's just see what happens. It's radiating basically 1, 2, 3. That's what happens. Now, my advice is when you use your cordless cell phones or your cordless phones in your house is to hold them in front of you. Never put them to your ear. We are using my wife's cell phone to call my local phone. And you can see the radiation going from the cell phone out to the tower, coming back to our, that meter is moving, so that's how much radiation goes into your head when you use your cell phone. I want to warn you about the thing that many people are hanging in their ear. Some people call it jawbone, some call it Bluetooth, but when you do the research, those operate at the same frequency as your microwave oven. A lot lower in power, but the same frequency. So when you look at it, they have They call them level 1 or class 1, class 2, and class 3. I would like to change those class numbers from medium well to medium to well done.